She's a wagon wheel. That's not how you do cartwheel. Why is she holding you? That's a wagon. A cartwheel you spin like a wheel. A cartwheel you spin like a wheel. Nope. Okay, so stand up straight. Put your arms out in Y shape. Okay, up higher. Okay, so when you do a cartwheel, out a little further from each other. There you go. When you do a cartwheel, you spin your whole body to, you would go that way, you would go that way. Okay, so that your hand touches the ground, and then your feet go up in the air, and you just turn in a circle to your side. Get what I'm saying?
Okay.
So go ahead. Yep, like that, Gwen. Similar. Your head never goes towards the ground. You're always sideways.
Like this?
Yep, keep going in a circle. Grace, you need to go that way so you don't hit each other.
I can't do it.
Well, yeah, I can never do a cartwheel. You gotta bend your body, Grace. What the heck was that? No. Neither one of you are getting anywhere close. But this is fantastic. I love this. Do I need to show you a video what a cartwheel looks like? Hold on. Sure would. Harder than it looks, isn't it? They're trying to do cartwheels.
I almost got there.
Yeah?
If I keep practicing, I will.
Well, you did it, but you didn't stick the landing. Keep practicing. Well, that's how you do a tumble. That's gotta hurt after a while. Nope, you didn't even make it over that time.
I made it on a handstand.
Well, that's an interesting way to do a cartwheel, Gwen.
My head.
You need to be careful when doing that.
You will hurt your head.
Ow!
That will make me sick if I do that.
You okay? You okay? I shouldn't be laughing, but I can't do a cartwheel. This is hilarious. You okay? It's hurting, isn't it? You guys think you should quit for a little bit? Well, because you're not even getting over, Gwen. She's landed on the ground several times.
Yeah. Not even.
Go ahead. That's a tumble.
Let me try it again.
Are you sure you want to do this, Grace? Your guys' problem is you guys are going to both hands down at once. Remember, you're supposed to look towards me, lean your body towards me. There you go. Now spin.
I can't do it that way.
Yeah, that's how you're supposed to do it. That's a whole other cartwheel. Leg up. Nope, that one. Yep. Nope. Face this foot towards me. There you go. Now go. There. You're getting there. Now you gotta put more momentum in it so you move forward.
Let me try. I almost did it. Grace, your mommy wants me now. One more.
Okay, great. Gwen, your turn. Remember, that foot out. There you go, like that. Yep, just like that. Nope. Turn this foot that way. There you go. Lean that way. There you go. Now do it.
Now do it.
Spin, spin, spin. It's not something you guys can go slow on. You guys gotta continue going. Oops, that I almost dropped the camera. No, there's no stopping. You just go.
Keep going and going and going. Okay, maybe that would work.
Maybe when you're older. Okay, that works.
I'm gonna keep practicing.
You're getting there, but not quite there. Remember, your legs have to stay straight in the air. Closer. That looked painful. Are you okay? I think you guys are done. You okay? She landed very harsh. You okay? That hurt me looking at that. She's dead. She killed herself. Can I jump over your head? You okay, Grace? You can't walk? Claire, that's rude.
Oh God! It's raining! It's raining!
It's raining, guys. I think Florence is here.